Every 30 seconds, your kidneys filter an entire glass of blood. But here's something few people know. Your kidneys are not just filters. They're also intelligent organs that communicate with your brain and heart constantly. What if I told you that you can activate and strengthen your kidney function naturally by supporting these internal signals? No pills, no harsh detoxes, just smart natural practices that work with your body's rhythm. Stay tuned, because today you'll discover 7 rarely discussed, science-backed natural remedies that keep your kidneys healthy, energized, and protected for life. Welcome to our channel, where we blend ancient wisdom and modern science to bring you practical health guidance. In this video, you won't hear the usual drink more water or avoid salt advice. Instead, we'll reveal natural approaches most people overlook, yet they can transform your kidney health over time. These methods work by supporting your body's energy flow, improving blood oxygen, and helping your kidneys regenerate at the cellular level. Question for you: have you ever felt constant fatigue or dull back pain and ignored it? That's often your kidneys asking for care. Let's learn how to help them naturally. One, practice deep diaphragmatic breathing. Did you know your kidneys receive 20% of your body's total oxygen supply? That means your breathing directly affects how efficiently they work. Deep diaphragmatic breathing, also called kidney oxygen therapy, increases oxygen flow, reduces internal pressure, and promotes toxin removal. Here's how to do it. Sit upright, place one hand on your abdomen, and take slow, deep breaths. In through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, and exhale for 6 seconds. Repeat this for 5 minutes twice daily. This practice also lowers cortisol levels, protecting your kidneys from stress-related damage. Ancient Ayurvedic practitioners even believed that conscious breathing balances the kidney meridians, restoring internal harmony. Have you ever tried breathing exercises for healing? Share your experience below. It might encourage others to start. 2. Support kidney qi with warmth and movement. In traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine, your kidneys are the seat of vital energy, or qi. Keeping them warm enhances circulation, reduces stiffness, and promotes energy flow. Applying a warm compress or hot water bottle to your lower back for 15 minutes daily can improve kidney function by supporting blood flow to the area. Gentle movement also matters. Try slow yoga poses like the cobra pose or child's pose, which relieve lower back pressure and open kidney meridians. Modern studies show that maintaining optimal core warmth improves metabolic rate and boosts enzyme activity, 2 factors essential for kidney detoxification. Question for you: do your feet often feel cold, even in warm weather? That could be a sign of weak kidney circulation. Try this warmth therapy for a week and notice the difference. 3. Add seed-based nutrition for kidney regeneration. Seeds are tiny but mighty when it comes to kidney nourishment. Pumpkin seeds, black sesame seeds, and flax seeds contain essential fatty acids and plant compounds that help repair kidney tissues naturally. Black sesame, in particular, is known in Ayurveda for strengthening the adrenal-kidney connection and improving energy levels. Pumpkin seeds reduce inflammation and supply zinc, which supports filtration. Grind a tablespoon of mixed seeds and add them to smoothies or breakfast bowls daily. Over time, this can help balance electrolytes and support kidney regeneration at the cellular level. Did you know that zinc deficiency is linked to reduced kidney performance? This small dietary shift can make a lasting impact. 4. Use astragalus root, the ancient kidney protector. One of the most respected herbs in traditional Chinese medicine is astragalus root, often called huang qi. It's a powerful kidney tonic that helps reduce protein leakage in urine and protects against oxidative stress. Modern studies suggest that astragalus supports kidney filtration and strengthens immunity simultaneously, a dual benefit for people dealing with early kidney stress or mild creatinine elevation. To prepare it, boil 1 teaspoon of dried astragalus in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes, then sip slowly. The mild, earthy flavor blends beautifully with a touch of honey or ginger. Have you ever used herbal tonics before? Astragalus might become your next favorite natural protector. If you're enjoying these lesser-known kidney remedies, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It helps more people discover safe, natural health solutions. 5. Practice evening detox with Epsom saltfoot soak. Your kidneys work hardest during the night, cleansing your blood while you sleep. One simple yet powerful evening ritual is an Epsom saltfoot soak. Magnesium in Epsom salt supports kidney detox by drawing out excess toxins through your skin and relaxing blood vessels. Add half a cup of Epsom salt to warm water and soak your feet for 15 minutes before bed. It calms the nervous system, promotes deep sleep, and lightens the kidneys' overnight workload. This old-fashioned remedy is backed by modern wellness science. Relaxation and circulation are key to kidney repair. Try it 3 to 4 times a week and notice better sleep and less fatigue. Have you ever tried Epsom salt soaks? They're not just for relaxation, they're powerful natural detox tools. 6. Strengthen kidneys with sound therapy. Yes, sound can heal. In both Chinese and Ayurvedic practices, specific sound vibrations are believed to stimulate organ function. The kidney healing sound is a low humming tone, pronounced like chew, exhaled slowly to release tension. Modern research supports that sound frequencies between 60 to 80 hertz can relax kidney-related nerve channels, reducing internal inflammation. Spend just 5 minutes daily doing this sound breathing. Inhale through your nose, and as you exhale, hum gently while focusing on your lower back area. The vibrations help balance your parasympathetic system and encourage detox. Have you ever noticed how music can calm your body instantly? This is that, but on a healing level. 7. Rebuild kidney strength with black beans and sea vegetables. Here's something fascinating. In Eastern medicine, black-colored foods are linked with kidney energy. Black beans, black rice, and sea vegetables like kelp or nori nourish and rebuild kidney essence. Black beans are rich in plant-based protein, antioxidants, and iron, all of which support blood purification. Sea vegetables supply iodine and trace minerals that help balance electrolytes naturally. Add these foods twice a week to your meals. They're not just nutritious. They symbolically and nutritionally strengthen the kidneys, according to both ancient and modern perspectives. Did you know? Cultures in Japan and Korea often use seaweed soups after illness to restore kidney vitality. It's nature's recovery secret. Let's recap the new natural ways: deep breathing, warmth therapy, seed nutrition, astragalus tea, Epsom salt soaks, sound healing, and black food nourishment. Each of these methods gently awakens your kidneys, supporting them at both the physical and energetic level. Your kidneys don't just filter, they power your vitality. Take care of them, and they'll return the favor for a lifetime. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who needs kidney healing naturally. And don't miss our next video, Top 5 Ancient Remedies to Strengthen Weak Kidneys and Boost Energy Naturally.